I am closing down the website, the Slammin' website, until the new stuff is released. Today and tomorrow will be your last chances to order anything from the summer drop from Slammin'. The new stuff will be coming out on September 15th. I'm not even sure what day it is, but that number sounds great. So that's the day that everything's gonna be coming out, along with the zine. The zine is gonna be coming out in this drop. I already have a picture of the cover. Here it is. And some other items that are gonna be coming out that I'm very excited on, and I think you guys are gonna love a lot. I think you guys are really gonna like this drop. It's the biggest drop to date. It's gonna have the most stuff. I'm stoked on it. I'm excited. The stuff came out sick. If you're mad about the title of this video and you wanna give it a dislike, go right ahead, that is fine. For all my day ones, leave a like. Me and Jason tried to do this the other day. Jason, wait, do I need to say that? Should I say that? Me and Jason tried to do this the other day, and the motherfucker has a suspended license, so we couldn't do it through Lime, and you don't need to scan your license through Bird. We're gonna get some birds. By the way, I'm sure you guys know what this is by now. You've seen it all over like Chris's channel, Sean's channel, Garrett's channel. Birds have now come to Long Beach, and I could not be more happier. Whoever thought that you would be so excited on an electric scooter? I love this. If Bird sees this, I want to do a sponsored video with it.
And now I'm currently looking for a bird. Go. You're gonna snap that.
Oh, we did it.
That was pretty impressive.
I know what a drop-off station is, where they drop off a bunch of birds. Hence the words drop off and station.
Ooh.
Station. Look
at the white one.
Bird drop zone. I know, I'm getting the white one.
I want the albino one.
You want the albino one? All right, fine, you can get the albino one. Dude, these ones are the best though, because they have a fucking brake. That means we can go skidding.
You see, sips up with the Bible. Dances like yellow pudding. Okay, little man, little thing with the night comes out of me. And you like the
Go as fast as you can and ride it into the sand.
So they don't know what the chance is all about. You see, sips up with the Bible.
This is what you do. You get a bunch of sand, and you put it on the concrete. And then you skid through it, and you go so much farther of skid.
Dang, you better Tokyo drift that right now, huh?
Dude, I'm telling you, this is exactly how you do it. What should we call this? Extreme electric scoot?
Extreme electric scootering? Viral. That was dirty. Oh! That counts, huh? Oh, dude, that was so good.
Came my block bang, dirty bang, skunk gang, big jumper, big thing, let your nuts hang, who they? Don't say BBA, change your mood, any day. Yeah.
Ooh, that's the camera rode away, boy.
You just do a 1-footer? Are you good? Are you alright?
Whoa! Yeah, I think you got that one. Try that one. Try that one again. Try that again.
Hurt my arm, bro.
Oh, that's in my chest.
Jason's going down this hill real quick.
Bro, it's a wedding!
You think you've ever been that happy in your entire life?
Never, bro. Like, I just looking at them, I just have this burst of energy right now. Just wanna go, oh! They got some sick ass songs, huh? Check it. Yeah, we LB riding on these birds. I don't give a fuck going by the skirt. Ooh!
All you get is
Jason, look, chickens. Get them to talk.
Here you go, here you go. I did that, that was me, that was on me. I really don't like that.
Are you ready?
Not really, but confidence is key, right?
Bro, you're gonna be fine.
Are you trying to get after?
Yeah, I'll try it after.
No, you're not.
Yes, I will, dude. I did the one in the mall. You think I'm a bitch? Go. You got it, dude. You're fine. It didn't look bad at all.
Better hope your heels don't touch.
That was scary.
You bailed out, boy.
I started thinking about my heels, dude. Why did you say that?
I'm sorry.
Did your heels hit?
No.
Oh.
Get that. Damn. Oh, very impressive. Oh, very impressive.
Should we go to the Silverado?
Yeah, I think we should. Watch this transition.
I taught Jason a new trick. I taught him the rally. He just did one.
First try?
He hasn't done a super good one yet, but he did like a slop one. Do it. Do your best one right now. First try.
Wait.
You hit your front truck on the rail. I told you. Yeah. Did you aim for the spot?
I did.
Yeah, I told you.
That was banger, huh?
That's it. Good job.
Man, that didn't take that long. That was pretty good.
Nah.
You want to cruise? Let's just get a cruise. A nice solid cruise. I'm chilling, all right? I'm lazy, relaxing, chilling.
First try kickflip.
How do you get on this, dude? This hurts my...
Dude, you got it, dude. Just believe in your damn self. You like that? You like that, huh? Oh. Come on, man. Come on. You see this idiot? Can't even unicycle, dude. You look really good with that suntan in the back of you. You look beautiful, dude.
The suntan.
Sunset, you fucking immigrant.
You look really...
Oh, you call him an immigrant? That's fucked up.
You like insult somebody and then just blame it on someone else. Hey, how do I do this?
Dude, just ride it like a bike. But make sure your back is straight. Nice posture. Make sure your ass is sticking up. 90-degree angle, eh? Hurry up, I want to use the goddamn unicycle.
I got glass in my fucking hand, dude, from that tabloid.
What?
Tablet. All right, so back straight. The fucking iPad. All right, are you ready? How do I do this?
Yes. Oh yeah, back straight, nice and firm, 90-degree angles with your butt cheek, perfect. Now, go forward. Nice. Pedal, not, oh.
That hurt my pee-pee, dude. What do you do when it hurts your pee-pee?
Just massage it.
I got glass in my fucking hand.
From the what?
Tabloid. Why the fuck is that so funny?
What are you saying, tabloid?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. You learn a new word every single time we hang out, don't you?
Tabloid and Lethargic?
Fucking people are showing up. God damn it. Now we can't be stupid YouTubers. Alright.
Oh, that was pretty good.
Alright, fuck this, bro.
How you do it, bro.
Alright, show us how you do the uni.
So what you want to do is, since you're not that great like me, you want to start on the fence because we're not that good yet. And we take off, bro. Can you put the little cool thing on there? Oh, shit. Can you put that little shit with the glasses on there or not? Like,
Yeah.